Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you secret ways to make anyone chase you. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. 1. Make a good first impression. Be assured. Avoid stumbling. A statement to make: you can't take the chance of ruining your first date with her because it might be your final one. Nothing could be worse than one individual feeling drowsy or blabbering alone while having nothing to say. You shouldn't do that action. Talk to someone to stop the mental storm from getting worse. Show interest by posing inquiries. Make her intrigued to the point where she wants to know more and you are knowledgeable enough to continue rowing your. 2. Be a challenge. Make it so she needs to chase after her instead of doing the laborious task. Don't be the guy who is continually looking for favors and is desperate and needy. Present yourself as a strong man with a full schedule who wouldn't pursue a woman. Instead, increase the element of mystery to entice people to you. 3. Make the right inquiries. If your first question is, "Do you have a boyfriend?" then you are doomed for life. Period. This is your chance to disprove the stereotype that women have of us as being one-track thinkers. Never engage in pointless discussions or details. Instead, inquire as to her relationship with animals. Or ask her what kind of music she prefers, and if she agrees, play a song from that genre. 4. Don't stay long. Anything bad has an excess. And believe us when we say that women don't want males hovering over them constantly and babying them. Give them the chance to hunger for you. Keep close, but stay away. Let them come after you when you make yourself scarce. 5. Focus on the little things. Women are suckers for details, so tell her how her dress reminded you of your favorite love story writer, or send her a text about how she's in your thoughts even when you're not around. She will come back for more of those. Buying her a bouquet of roses every day or dropping obvious compliments won't earn you any brownie points. She reciprocates your liking for her. What's the next step? You propose a date to her. But refrain from doing it repeatedly. Let her experience your absence. Play around a little if she asks you out for dinner one night. Inform her that you are unsure and might need to check. Of course, you shouldn't continually saying no to her because that can make her lose interest in you. Discover the true path, and you could become the real boss. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.